My name is Kenzie Craig Michaels and you're watching Trendy Hot Beauty. Ladies, today we're talking about affordable skincare. And affordable skincare to me means affordable skincare with proven results. So that's what we're going to be discussing, and we're going to jump in right now. We're going to be talking about a fabulous brand from No.7, Boots No.7 from the UK, developed in the UK, sold in the UK, sold in Ireland as well. So whether you're purchasing in the sterling pound, whether you're purchasing actually in the euro from Ireland, it has 2,500 stores. So it actually has its own boutiques, its own Boots boutiques. And I'm referring to Boots No.7. It's a skincare and makeup line and body line as well. And it's absolutely fantastic for your skin. It is not tested on animals, it's cruelty-free as well. It has lots of features and benefits for the skin for a beautiful radiant glow and actually a beautiful healthy looking skincare regime. So what I'm going to show you today is a couple of products that I think that you need to add to your skincare routine and what you should be using. So every woman should be using a cleanser, a toner, a repair serum, a moisturizer, and an eye cream. So 5 products. And then you can be using your cleanser, your toner, your eye cream, your moisturizer for PM to regenerate the skin, and then your eye cream at nighttime as well. So they do have a couple of different lines for different concerns on the market as well. So go to your local drugstore or go to a Boots store and purchase these products. They are truly amazing, and they have one iconic product which we'll be talking about too, which is their top seller around the world. So much of this product sells like they can't even keep it in stock. So we're going to be talking right now about the foaming cleansing No.7 foaming mousse, and it has a tri-vitamin complex in it. So vitamin C, L-ascorbic acid, tocopherol acetate, which is vitamin E, and we have metal sweet in it as well. So look at that foam that you're getting. So clockwise, counterclockwise, all the way around the face, and that's all you need to do. It will probably remove and residual traces of smoke, smog, pollution, and probably about 60 to 70% of your makeup, giving you a fresh-faced, clean, natural look. Moving on to the No.7, this is the Radiant Healthy Looking Shine Free Toner. Toners are great because they help to pH balance your skin. They help to remove residual traces of makeup, and both cleansers and toners help to neutralize free radicals that are in the air that can stick to your skin and basically clog your pores as well. So this helps to minimize pore clogging as well, helps to pH balance your skin, and it does contain that vitamin C, vitamin E, B5, plus the metal sweet extract as well. So you have your tri-vitamin complex in there. So all you're gonna do is open it up, you're gonna put it onto a cotton pad like so, and then you're gonna swipe it across the forehead, circular motions, clockwise, counterclockwise, down around your neck. And ladies, you will be surprised at how much makeup and dirt comes off your face with the toner. You will be absolutely shocked. It is absolutely astounding. I never actually could believe this until I started using a toner on a regular basis, that you know what, my cleanser did not get all my makeup off. Even when I used makeup remover for mascara, you know, from Lancome by Facile, it still didn't take it all off. So I'm super impressed by using a toner to pH balance your skin after your cleanser as well. Now, after your cleanser, you're gonna use their iconic No.7, that's it there, the Advanced Protect and Perfect Repair Serum with retinol palmitate in it. Retinol's been known to reduce lines, deep lines and wrinkles. It does contain, you know, your vitamin C, your peptides to boost the elastin and collagen to your skin, and matrixyl 3000, which actually helps to boost the elastin and collagen to your skin, but it is a peptide as well. So basically, you're going to have a lifting and firming effect, and after continued use, you're going to see smaller lines, crow's feet reduced, lines around the nasal labial folds reduced as well, lines on the forehead and the No.11 reduced as well. So all you're going to do is open the container, take a small pump, and you're going to use this morning and night, just like so, and apply and pat it onto your skin and cushion it in with the heat of your fingertips as well. So that's the Advanced Repair Serum for AM and PM. It is their #1 seller. It retails for approximately $35 for the small size, or the medium size, and then goes up to 45. So you can get 3 different sizes, and it actually feels like silk on your skin, and you can notice a visible difference with just 1 week's worth of product. So it's also been clinically tested, dermatologist tested as well. The list goes on and on and on, so I won't get into that. Afterwards, you can apply your Advanced Protect and Perfect Day Cream, followed by your Advanced and Protect Eye Cream as well. So 5 products, and we're going to do the same at nighttime. So we're going to use our cleanser again, our toner, our repair serum, our Protect Repair Serum with the retinol palmitate in it for fine lines and wrinkles. And it feels like silk on your skin. I can't explain it until you actually purchase the product. And then we're going to replace our daytime moisturizer with a nighttime moisturizer for rehydration, more moisture in the skin. Your skin regenerates itself when you're sleeping. So it's an excellent addition to your daytime moisturizer, which doesn't contain SPF, because why would you need it when you're sleeping? And then we're actually going to use a nighttime eye cream for puffiness, dark circles, lines and wrinkles, dehydration as well, and lymphatic drainage. So depending on your eye concern, whether you have a lot of puffiness, you might want to use a gel. Whether you have extreme dryness, you want to use more of a rich cream. But Boots No.7 has the products for you. So go to your local drugstore, depending on where you are in the world, or a Boots boutique, and purchase these products. I'm Kenzie Craig Michaels from Trendy Hot Beauty. I love talking about skincare, it's my passion. So please subscribe to my channel and have a fabulous Wednesday. Thank you so much for watching, and cheers everyone. Love from Kenzie Craig Michaels.